Hello, my name is Sanaz Karimaghaee. Today, with Linh and I are going to review of Twitter organization structure for you. Twitter Motor Company was established in 1937. This company established identity and innovated to resolve social issue, and it faced a series of challenge and expansion of globalization, and from 2010 it is toward the future of a new mobility society. Mission of Twitter is creating vehicles that are popular with customer, and the vision is divided to three parts, namely ever better car, enriching lives of communities, and also a stable base of business. As you see in this slide, long-term strategy of Twitter is based on its vision of the future mobility. To achieve the goals of their long-term strategy, they are developing human resource and revamping internal structure and also advancing business innovation. Twitter is stepping up its competitive by making ever better car. So their business model change and their strategic shift toward electrification, information, and intelligence. In 2016, Twitter updated its organizational structure because this company wanted built around a product base rather than the functional base. And feature of Twitter's organizational structure divided to global hierarchy, geographic division, and product-based division. This new structure provides a great degree of flexibility compared to old centralized hierarchical organizational structure. With this structure, the company is no more capable of responding to regional market conditions, and also is helped to provide higher quality product. According to Twitter website, this company has a 53 overseas manufacturing company in 28 countries and region, and Twitter vehicles are sold in more than 170 countries and region.
To analyze the level of uncertainty in Toyota's external environment, we will use the past analysis. The past analysis consists of four aspects: political, economic, social, and technological, that we will analyze in the following slides. In the political aspect, Toyota operates in 28 different countries and regions with different government policies, trading policies, even war and conflicts. They have to be ready to adjust for any changes in laws and regulations of the host countries, and this diversity represents a high level of uncertainty. In the economic aspect, Toyota's diversity in operation and market represent a high uncertainty in the economic aspect. They are vulnerable to any changes in economic trends, taxation rules, CPI, exchange rates, etc. In the sociological aspect, Toyota must deal with a diverse customer base. This includes any changes in consumer attitude, behavior, education, trends, and lifestyle. And they have to prepare to change accordingly to customers' needs in various countries. The legal aspect includes changes in market legislation, employment laws, etc. Toyota is subject to various legislations across the countries they operate in, and they need to be prepared for any legislation changes so that they can change their policies in accordance with these changes. Overall, Toyota operates in a very large market. They have a lot of host countries, and this high level of host countries contribute to a relatively high level of uncertainty in Toyota's external environment. Now let's talk about the top 3 challenges of Toyota's. First of all, they need to be success in China market and remain competitive in the global market. As we know, China has become the world's largest automobile market, and as shown in the graph, Toyota has been successful in this market. Their second challenge is sustainable growth and carbon footprint reduction. As we know, our environment is in dire situation, the climate is changing, and customers are looking forward for companies to respect the nature and preserve the environment. The third challenge is technology innovation and defects inspection. In 2010, the recall crisis has caused Toyota serious damage both in economically and in brand reputation. They need to regain customers' trust after this crisis.
Toyota Motor Corporation is a large organization which has 53 overseas manufacturing companies. According to Duc theory in 2010, Toyota has a form of formalization and partially centralization. The Toyota global hierarchy is a proof which requires all head unit report to the headquarters in Japan. However, Toyota increases the decision-making power to its region head unit to avoid the overload jobs for the top administration. Also, it provides the ability of quick decision, which could improve the performance of Toyota. So this proves that the current structure of Toyota is fitted to this site contingency. Due to the difference of regional market conditions, Toyota has regional department in specific locations to improve the degree of flexibility. This flexibility may allow Toyota to speedily respond to problems and provide higher quality products. Additionally, Toyota decentralized decision making, so the structure is more like organic design. Based on mines and snow topology, Toyota's strategy is the analyzer, which tries to maintain a stable business by customizing their products to suit individual lifestyles, which could maintain their profit. Also, it innovates the technology to compete with the unstable environment. Due to the large size, Toyota is on the elaboration stage of organization life cycle, which has the main characteristic is very bureaucratic. According to Duff, the solution is the need for revitalization by replacing the top manager or transform the structure of big firm into many small companies, so it might reduce the bureaucracy. Due to the technical issue, Toyota made some recall program which badly affect on its reputation, which leads to the decreased belief of customer in the firm. Solution is, firstly, improve the technology to fix the technical issues, then using get your side of the story out technique from a DAF book to solve this problem by advertising. And here is our reference list.